Today, I am giving you a tour of 10215 North 8th Place in Phoenix, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Welcome to this charming 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom condo in the Villa Sierra Madre community in north central Phoenix. The bright open floor plan has soft carpet and neutral tones, while the kitchen and dining area are tiled for easy care and open up to a covered patio, perfect for relaxing outdoors. The bathroom offers a tiled tub shower combo and a clean white vanity. Both bedrooms are filled with natural light and feature walk-in closets. This condo is close to freeways, hiking trails, and local favorites like North Mountain Reserve, with shopping, dining, and public transit nearby. Don't miss this North Phoenix gem. Schedule your showing today.